Hey guys, welcome you to the next video of Carigar Power Tools. My name is Narendran. Let me show you the importance of having a toolkit at home. Carigar Power Tools comes with two toolkits. One is TK01, TK02. TK01 comes with a 13mm impact driller, whereas TK02 comes with a cordless screwdriver. To know more about the accessories about this toolkit, please click on the I button. Now I will show you the important applications of using this toolkit. Now let me show you the importance and applications of using this TK01. Now going forward, I don't think you don't need to call carpenters and electricians to your home to do basic repair works. Using this 13mm impact driller, you will be able to drill on wall and wood, and this will make your work even more easier. And now I would suggest not to use blades and knives to cut your wires. Here comes the cutting plier. It is more safe to use. And you have hammer which can be used for hammering as well as removing nails. It is more safe. It comes with a good handy grip. Here comes the screwdriver adapter, and we have 5 different screwdriver bits. And this kit comes with a 3-meter measuring tape, a very compact adjustable wrench. This can be used for removing, screwing and unscrewing the bolt, and especially for bike riders it will be very useful. And here comes the adapter. This can be used for different bolt and nut heads. Now let me introduce our second product, TK02. To screw and unscrew, now we can use this cordless screwdriver which comes with a 12-volt lithium-ion battery. And here comes the knife which can be used for cutting cardboard and PVC sheets. And we have magnetic screwdrivers. One is a minus screwdriver and other is a star screwdriver. And here is the flexible shaft. It can be used to reach the hard to reach areas. Like it is so flexible so that it can be reached at any corners. To measure the AC and DC current, here comes the digital tester. To measure the surface level, we have the spirit level. This is all about TK02. Please do like, share and subscribe our Carigar Power Tools channel.